All right, welcome everyone. We're here with the 10K Yuj Tarot. We're answering a question from Ellenor in Alaska. Her general question was about a transformation going on in her life and where her next directions and path was going to be regarding career and other paths in life. So we're answering this here because this is a universal thing that everyone goes through. So this can help and aid everyone, no matter what point in time you are watching this. So here are the 3 cards. All right, so many transformations are happening in your life. So you have the cosmic bond here first, which represents promises and spiritual contracts and many things that you were promised or promised other people in the past that may or may not have been holding you back. Okay, so you have to really know what these are so you can prioritize and then get rid and solve these. And the solutions will come as you just move and you keep on moving forward. So this is something you always experience in life because relationships, you have them with people, with coworkers, with your family. So you just have to make sure there's organization. And then you'll be able to move forward in a transformation with a clear head. So the shut your mouth card is something before the new year that it applies to everyone because you don't want to talk bad about yourself. This card reminds you, it's the #1 card in the deck because what you talk about yourself and what you send out is what you're going to get back and feel. So you want to make sure that you don't talk negative, you have happiness and joy, and most importantly, gratitude towards everything in your life. And make that a habit, and then you're going to be able to have a clear head. It's all about clarity. It's all about neutrality and making sure that you are ready to be in the moment, where then you get into the blank card. A very good card, which means that the slate is cleared. Your destiny is whatever you want it to be. Just make sure you are organized within you, and then you up yourself. You have to be positive to yourself and love. And the blank card just means anything is possible. Whatever you believe, you can achieve. Thanks, Ellenor. This was an amazing transformation and it's going to help a lot of people. So the comments you see are open in this video. So if you have a concern, a question you want us to answer with the 10K Yuj Tarot on our channel, feel free to comment it. We were going to review everything so that we can make sure that everyone gets helped in the most effective way. But these are universal for everyone because human experience is universal. This is the 10K Yuj Tarot. Thank you so much. We look forward to hearing from you.